I'm an English speaker. I'm an English reader. I'm an English writer. I'm precise when I speak. I'm precise when I write. I'm precise because I practice. I'm fluent when I speak. I'm fluent when I talk. I'm fluent when we chat. I love learning new language. I love learning from my mistakes. I love practicing English. I train my mind to think. I train my voice to vocalize. I train my mouth to pronounce. I find learning opportunities every day. I find learning opportunities everywhere. Anytime, any place, anywhere. I trust myself to achieve my aim. I trust myself to reach my goal. I trust myself to become successful. I face my fear of failing. I face my fear of embarrassment. I face my fear of humiliation. I overcome my fear with practice. I overcome my fear with dedication. I overcome my fear with laughter and smiles. I'm grateful for my mistakes. I'm grateful for the corrections I'm given. I'm grateful for the chance to learn. I'm an English speaker.